Hello guys, welcome to your first tutorial in software not software no okay guys, I really teach a lot of software programming language, but today we're not going to be dealing with programming language with software, but we'll be dealing with website development, and that is gonna be fun. Right, this is your first website, and by the way, I want to explain to you what this HTML tags or element, these are called element. As you can see, I've already provided these details immediately, and I'm using a Sublime Text IDE. You can go to the internet and download it and just click next to install it, and that is all. It's not complicated to install this. And so just type this on your IDE, whether you are using Visual Studio IDE or you are using Sublime Text or Notepad++, which one, whatever you want to use, it's okay. But right now I'm using Sublime IDE. So type this on your IDE, and then I will explain to you what it means. Now these that are shown in red, is that red? Okay, I don't know, but whatever. These are called elements. And if I click on it, remember, you can see that it has a opening tag, opening elements, and a closing element, often referred to as tags. Also a closing tags and an opening tag. So if you double click on it, it highlights. These are called tags, and I will explain to you what it means. Now if you look carefully into this page that we have created, you'll be able to see that I've added head, a title, and then a closing title and a closing body, a closing head. Apart from that, I want to explain to you what all this actually means in a moment. This actually means we are creating an HTML document, and then with the head, as you can see, this head comes with this title. It always comes with the title, so you cannot have the title without the head. And it contains the information. This title element, it contains the information about the page, rather than displaying the information on the main page. It contains the information on the page of the page, rather than showing the information on the page. This is the title. This way it contains only the information, and with the body tag, or with the body, everything that is in this body element, we are actually saying that it should be shown on the main page. I will show you in a moment, so that you will see what actually I'm talking about. So it has a opening body and a closing body. And so if you look at the title, just like I said, sorry, the header is the one that contains information about the page, and the title is the one, is the one that is shown on the tab or on the URL of the page. So let me show you an example so that you can see what I'm talking about. Open. I just right click and I open it in web browser. So this is the title. This title, it appears here, web system network, and this is the main body, which appears over here. This is header. These are elements. These are elements. As you can see, it has different font and is bolded. This H1, it contains H1 to H6, and if you are to use H6, the fonts are getting smaller and smaller and smaller up until you reach the minimum, which is H6. And then there's this one, the P. This P stands for paragraph. The P, it stands for paragraph, and it is, we usually, obviously, in your website development, we're going to be using a paragraph a lot, and H1 also a lot. As you can see, this one just catches your eyes. Welcome to Web System Network. Anyway, we are very soft, we're good developers. and we are good at what we do. We teach softwares, we develop, we document. So you must check us out on websystemnetwork.com. We're gonna make it live for you, and you will be good to go. So by the way, going back to our HTML page, our web design, HTML, I want you to know that HTML page are text document, as you can see. They are text document, and HTML uses tags. And what we mean by that is these are characters that sit inside angle bracket. Which are these? These are characters that sit inside this angle bracket. H1, these are tags. The P is a tags. They sit inside this angle bracket. Is it? Yeah, right. I don't know. Angle bracket to give information about the maybe to give information that they surround themselves with special meaning. So if I'm putting H1, I'm saying that this one should be bolded. If I'm putting P means it's a paragraph, and that is what it gives special meaning to what, to the information that would sit in between them. And then I also want you to know that tags such as these, they are also referred to as elements. So don't be confused in terms of the when I'm exchanging the words with elements or tags. No, don't be confused. Another point which I might want you to also understand is that opening tags can carry attributes which tell us more about the content of that element, but I will tell you that in a next tutorial, I guess. But this tutorial I don't have much time, but I just want you to understand that. And well, to learn HTML, you must need to know what tags that are available for you to use, what they do, and where they can go. So you must learn the tags that are provided. Of course, you can familiarize yourself with all these, and if you learn this, knows how to use the tags, man, you are the best. You're gonna be a good developer, because a lot of companies gonna get you, and you're gonna modify their website. Maybe someone built a website, but the person has traveled out, they can't do it anymore. They can call you to come and modify it for them, and that's a free cash, man. So well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment below if there is any question that you might have.